planning to move to Australia, or already living there as a migrant or senior? You absolutely need to hear this. Big changes are coming in 2025 that could impact your visa, your pension, and your financial future. Missing these updates could cost you thousands or even delay your plans. Stick around, because I'm breaking it all down in a way that's simple, clear, and impossible to ignore. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I help migrants, seniors, and anyone interested in Australia's policies stay updated with the latest changes that really matter. Today, we're diving deep into the latest 2025 updates on Australian visas and age pensions, and trust me, you'll want to know this before making any big decisions. Starting with visas, Australia has made some important changes that everyone looking to live or work there needs to know. The old temporary skills shortage visa is being replaced by the new skills in demand visa. This is a huge shift for anyone planning to work in Australia because it focuses on high-demand occupations and introduces new pathways for skilled workers. Whether you are an IT specialist, healthcare professional, engineer, or work in any other critical industry, these changes could open new doors, but only if you understand the updated rules and criteria. Employers and applicants alike need to be fully aware of these changes to ensure they qualify and can submit applications successfully. Missing a detail could delay your visa process or even lead to rejection, so it's crucial to stay informed and act quickly. There's also some very positive news for retirees. If you're currently holding a retirement visa, you may now have a potential pathway to permanent residency. This is particularly important for long-term residents who have contributed to Australian communities, paid taxes, and established a life here. Having the opportunity to transition from a temporary retirement visa to permanent residency not only offers greater security, but also ensures access to additional services and benefits that were previously limited or unavailable. This could be a life-changing update for seniors who wish to remain in Australia long-term, and it highlights how the government is recognizing the value of experienced residents who continue to contribute socially and economically. Now, let's focus on something that affects millions of seniors in Australia: the age pension. From September 2025, pension rates are increasing, which is excellent news for retirees who rely on this income to cover everyday expenses. Singles can expect nearly $1,180 per fortnight, couples will receive just under $1,780 combined, and couples who are separated due to illness will receive the full single rate for each individual. On top of this, Centrelink is introducing additional support measures for eligible seniors. This includes extra payments designed to help with the rising cost of living, which can make a noticeable difference in day-to-day expenses such as groceries, utilities, and healthcare. These changes are designed to make life a little easier for those who have dedicated years to building a future in Australia. Eligibility for the age pension still requires individuals to be at least 67 years old, meet specific residency requirements, and pass income and asset tests. For many migrants, navigating these rules can be confusing, but Australia has agreements with several countries to make this process easier. These Social Security agreements allow you to combine periods of residency or contributions from your home country with time spent in Australia. This can help you meet eligibility requirements and ensure that you receive the full benefits you're entitled to. It's particularly useful for migrants who may have gaps in their work or residency history, as it allows them to maximize their pension entitlement without having to start from scratch. For new migrants, it's important to know that there may still be waiting periods before full pension benefits become accessible. These waiting periods can range from 1 to 10 years depending on individual circumstances. Understanding these rules early allows you to plan your finances wisely and make informed decisions about work, savings, and long-term living arrangements in Australia. Being proactive can prevent unnecessary financial stress and ensure that you are fully prepared to claim your benefits when the time comes. These updates are not just numbers or policy changes, they have a real impact on people's lives. Securing the right visa, understanding pension eligibility, and taking advantage of government programs can directly affect your financial security, lifestyle, and overall quality of life in Australia. Whether you are planning to migrate, are already living there, or approaching retirement, staying informed about these changes is essential. Missing a deadline, misunderstanding a rule, or overlooking a new policy could result in delayed benefits or lost opportunities. It's also worth mentioning that these changes highlight the government's broader approach to migration and senior support. By introducing the Skills in Demand visa, they are addressing critical workforce shortages and encouraging skilled professionals to contribute to the economy. At the same time, by increasing pension rates and providing additional boosts, the government is recognizing the challenges that seniors face in keeping up with living costs. For migrants and seniors alike, this combination of policies means that planning and staying informed are more important than ever. So whether your goal is to migrate to Australia for work, retire there comfortably, or simply understand how these updates impact your current situation, it's time to take action. Review your visa eligibility, check your pension entitlements, and make sure your records with Centrelink and immigration authorities are accurate and up to date. Taking these steps now can save you a lot of headaches in the future and ensure that you receive every benefit you are entitled to. These updates also serve as a reminder that staying informed about policy changes is not optional, it's necessary. Governments regularly adjust visa requirements and Social Security policies, and missing out on updates can have serious financial and personal consequences. Being proactive, seeking reliable information, and planning ahead will help you navigate these changes confidently and take full advantage of the opportunities available. No matter where you are in your journey, these 2025 changes in Australian visa and pension policies are significant. From new visa pathways and permanent residency options to increased pension rates and additional support for seniors, there is a lot to consider. Understanding these updates and acting on them can make a real difference in your life, ensuring that you are fully prepared to live, work, or retire in Australia with confidence and security. Don't wait for someone else to tell you what to do. Take charge of your future, check your eligibility, and make sure you are getting every benefit available to you. That's all for today's update on Australian visas and pensions for 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insider updates, and share this with anyone who could benefit from knowing these changes. Comment below if you have questions or want me to cover specific visa or pension scenarios in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.